Education is not the learning of facts, but the training of mind to think. Very good evening, everyone. I, Anusha Case, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE, convener of VVC IIC, would like to welcome all of you for this prize announcement and certificate distribution ceremony. I take this opportunity to welcome our Honorable Principal, Dr. V. Sadashiva Gowda, for this ceremony. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you, madam.
I welcome Dr. G.B. Krishnappa, Dean R&D, President of VVC IIC. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you, madam.
I welcome all deans, heads of various departments, professors, and all my colleagues to this ceremony. Welcome you all. I welcome all coordinators and members of VVC IIC and all my dear students. Welcome you all. Now I request Dr. G.B. Krishnappa, Dean R&D, President of VVC IIC.
Thank you, madam. The present decade is witnessing innovation in every part of the world. Innovation leads to prosperity. Ministry of Education, Government of India, along with AICTE, is striving hard to inculcate innovation ecosystem in technical education institutions through Innovation Council. VVC is part of this venture. Now, VVC has Institutional Innovation Council. The short form of it is IIC. Under Ministry of Education, VVCE is organizing many events to bring out the hidden talents of our students. As a part of this, idea generation and essay writing competitions are conducted. Idea generation, actually it was offline, but essay writing competition, it was online. I congratulate all the students who have taken part in these activities and enhanced their knowledge. I thank the honorable members of the management of UVC, our respected principal, all the deans, HODs, and all the professors in the student community. I thank the organizing committee for giving this opportunity to talk to you. Thank you. Over to you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Now I request our beloved principal, Dr. V. Sadashiva Gowda, to speak few words.
Good evening, all of you. I am extremely happy and delighted to know that a lot of our students have participated in the idea generation and also essay competition. And as Dr. GBK mentioned, we should be innovative, because without innovation, without disruption of technologies, we will not be able to progress ourselves. As a nation, to survive, innovation is essential. I think that has to begin in the institutes itself. Our students should actively have participated in the idea generation and also have contributed a lot. We see a lot of our students giving a lot of ideas even during this lockdown period. I have seen in some departments students coming regularly and developing new products. One of them is sanitizer, automatic sanitizer in the E&C, E&D. The students came to college and have developed. We really appreciate such gesture from the students in spite of the current pandemic situation. And also I have seen in the computer science, mechanical, a lot of students have actively participated in many activities. It could be the Toastmaster, it could be the entrepreneurship cell activities, it could be the photography club. I think everywhere you require innovation. innovation is not just developing a new technology. Innovation is required in every walk of life in the present scenario. Particularly in the current situation, I think a lot of innovations are required, and our young, bright students have the ability to overcome this situation. I am certain that this initiative by the Institute's innovation cell, will definitely go a long way in arousing curiosity of our students to be innovative. So I request the department, all the departments, and also the Dr. G.B. Krishnappa and his team to push our students to be innovative. Maybe we can have more number of workshops, we can have more number of idea generation competitions, we can have more number of inter-department competition, because they are all very important. Because whenever we say competitions, it will trigger a lot of new thinking, a lot of new ideas, and we explore many things. When there are no competitions, even though we are capable, we do not tend to think differently. I think this is a very good thing. I'm really happy about our institution's innovation cell doing so many activities for our student community and also for the faculty members. I hope that they will continue to do this, continue to encourage student community to be innovative. Yesterday, in fact, when we visited Scanray, and they were doing so many new things, and there are over 600 employees in the Scanray Technologies. I think they say that there are so many devices that are required in the healthcare. I think engineering students need to look at the applications not just in the IT sector. There are many applications in the agriculture domain, many applications in the healthcare. Not many players are there, particularly in India, in the healthcare. That's what they were mentioning. There are only 3 major players. The rest are all from outside India. So we have greater opportunities for our student community if they think differently and innovatively. So I am certain that this kind of competitions will definitely create awareness and also make them actively participate. I also would like to congratulate all the participants and also congratulate all the winners. So the students who are not going to get prizes, you don't need to worry. There are many competitions, so you can still participate, present your ideas, get prizes. So once again, I wish you all the best. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable words.
Thank you, sir. I'm sorry to interrupt you, madam. Yes, sir. With the permission of the principal, and IIC is going to organize idea generation competition in the month of November. If College Council permits, we will conduct on 25th, sir, 25th of November, idea generation competition for this semester, with your permission, sir. Madam, please.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Madam, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Now I request Professor Sabyasachi JK, Assistant Professor, Department of EEE, Innovation Ambassador, BDC IIC, to announce the winners of essay competition conducted as part of Kapila program. Over to you, sir.
Good afternoon, all. I'm happy to announce the winners of the Kapila, that is Kalam program for IP Literacy and Awareness Week. And under that National Intellectual Property Literacy Week, it was conducted between 15th to 23rd of October. And this essay writing competition, it was conducted at the institution level on 19th of October. And there were 12 participants. Now we'll see the winners of the event. The first prize goes to Rachana R.
Congratulations, Miss Rachana R.
Thank you, sir.
And the second prize goes to Sanjana NM.
Congratulations, Sanjana.
And the third prize winners, there are two prizes, DSS and Kumuda DK. Both have got third prize.
Congratulations, Diksha and Kumuda.
Thank you, sir.
And there were totally 12 participants, and these are the remaining 8 participants.
Siddesh K, Pawan Kumar M, Smita MS, Priyanka KM, Chirantan MJ, Rakshita Kashyap JK, Nimisha, Pooja KC. Actually, they participated with enthusiasm, and they are almost near to the winners in the mass score. I congratulate them also.
Congratulations to all of you.
Thank you for the opportunity. Over to you, madam.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now I request Professor Muhammad Mudassir, sir, Assistant Professor, Department of IAC, Social Media Coordinator, BVC IIC, to announce the winners of Idea Generation Competition conducted on 6th March 2020 as part of IIC activity. Over to you, sir.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening, Principal Sir, GBK Sir. Thank you for giving me opportunity for announcing the prize winners for Idea Generation Competition. The Idea Generation Competition was held as part of Innovation Day on 6th of March 2020, and the prize winners are, we have categorized the prize winners into consolation prize, third prize, second prize, and first prize. So I'll be announcing the consolation prize for ENC students and IS students. The consolation prize for ENC students goes to Rahul S, Sneha, and Saujanya for automatic duster collector on ceiling fans.
Congratulations,
Rahul S, Sneha, and Saujanya.
Rahul, Sneha, and
Thank you,
Saujanya.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Next, the consolation prize for ISC students goes to Darshan and Trupti for faster ways to detect coronavirus in airports.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Actually, it's a very apt topic given by Trupti and their team.
Very good.
Next, consolation prize from the ISC team goes to Chetan and Ashita P. Gowda for plastics biotechnology solution.
Congratulations to both of you.
Thank you, sir.
Next consolation prize in ISC goes to Krati Parik and Aishwarya M for solar networking.
Congratulations.
Next consolation prize for ISC goes to Arpit, Ashish, and Kumkum for mood tackler.
Congratulations to all the three of you.
It's very innovative.
Oh, great.
The mechanical students consolation prize winners are Suhas Shaman for stapler with recycled plastic staples.
Thank you, sir.
Congrats. Congrats.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Shishir Atreya for waste segregation machine. Consolation prize in the mechanical department.
Congratulations, Shishir.
Thank you, sir.
Samant Riyan for annihilation.
Congrats.
Priyank.
Thank you, sir.
Akash for movie privacy stopping.
Congrats, Akash.
Now we come to the prize winners. Third prize. Sir, shall I announce, sir, or principal, sir, will announce?
No, you can announce.
You announce, sir. Principal sir will congratulate them.
Okay.
Right. I know, all of us can congratulate.
Yes.
Okay. Sir.
Yeah.
So we have third prizes. Third prize goes to Shambhavi for Braille new approach to technology.
Congratulations, Kambabi.
Thank you, sir.
You didn't mention the prize amount.
Sir?
No, I am asking Mudasir. Why? You did not mention the prize amount. I asked GB.
Sir, I'll announce, sir. Consolation prize 500 rupees each. This third prize 1,000 rupees. The second prize is 2,000 rupees, and first prize is 3,000 rupees, sir.
Ah, very good. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Third prize winner, sir. That is Anirudh Ramesh for enhanced traffic ecosystem.
Congratulations, Anirudh.
Shambhavi was from CSC, sir. Anirudh is from mechanical. Next, the second prize goes to Sanjan and Yamini for active filter for residents.
Oh,
These
congratulations.
are from END students, sir.
Oh, great. Great. I think they graduated already, right?
Yes, sir. Actually, it's their project. It's their project.
Okay.
Final
Okay.
year. Yes.
Because I remember Yamini, she is. Yeah. Okay.
Correct. She was anchor of certain activities.
Right. Right.
And the first prize goes to Srivastha G of mechanical for maple mahogany seed dispersion technology.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations, Srivatsa.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I request all the winners to create their idea into physical reality and apply for patent. Don't stop there itself.
You please contact Dr. GBK. He will help you how to file a patent, how to convert that to a prototype model or an actual model. He will help you.
All right, sir. I'll please don't take it seriously, sir. Only if they show a physical entity, they are eligible to get the prize amount.
Good. Okay.
Sir, this one essay prizes amount, sir. Third prize 500 rupees, second prize 750 rupees, and first prize is 1,000 rupees, sir.
Good. Very good.
So thank you for giving the opportunity for announcing the prizes, sir. Thank you, sir. Over to you, madam.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Hearty congratulations for all the prize winners and best wishes for all the participants. Now I request Dr. Prakasha K.N., Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, to render vote of thanks. Over to you, sir.
Very good afternoon, respected sir and madam, and the dear students, the winners and the participants. I sincerely thank our beloved principal, Dr. B. Sadashivagowda sir, for their continuous support and encouragement in the IAC and R&D activities, and for coming this event. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
On behalf of IAC and R&D committee, we sincerely thank you, sir. I express my sincere thanks to Dr. G.B. Krishnappa, the Dean R&D and President of Institution Innovation Council, VVCE, for their continuous encouragement and support, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I express my sincere thanks to all the members of the Institution Innovation Council, VVCE, and R&D committee for their continuous support and encouragement and efforts regarding this event. Thank you, one and all the members. And I sincerely thank the students, student participants, winners, and all. Thank you, one and all, for your continuous support. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.